chicken.
What is it?
It's chicken.
One?
No.
There's 4 in here.
Oh my gosh.
4 chickens in
We
there?
have to go buy chicken.
They have eggs.
What do you want to name them?
And we don't have to buy eggs anymore.
Not when we have to buy food for them.
Yeah.
Water 'em. Take care of
What do you
them.
want to call them?
I want to name one. I'm naming the one. I'm naming that one.
Well, that's the same one. This is a 2-headed chicken.
Ew, no, it's not.
This is
different.
the one.
It
It's
gives
got the
extra
2 heads.
eggs.
Nuh-uh.
Extra
Yeah, this
eggs.
is the 2-headed chicken.
We paid a lot of extra money for the
This
two-headed.
one.
Gives extra
This
eggs.
body is for this one.
What?
Whoa.
See,
The guy told me it was a 2-headed chicken.
Are they soft? Like birds?
Oh my gosh, they're so soft.
No chicken.
Don't do
6
anything.
months old. They're not little babies.
No chicken.
Where'd you find
They
them?
like putting their heads through
I
holes.
bought them. My friend Mel got them for us. Chicken.
Now we don't have to buy any eggs.
Nope, you just got to go and pick them.
They'll be nice.
They'll be fresh.
Yeah, they will. They'll be
I want to
different.
go out and pick the eggs. I'm the one that's gonna pick the
You
eggs.
can throw the food
This
out
is
there
like
in the morning.
my cousin
That's what I'm gonna
Justin's house because
I
we
know how
picked the
because-
eggs.
I know how because I've done it before.
Oh, you guys know everything. That's good.
Is that their food?
Some of it.